Good morning, children. Welcome to English online class. This is lesson 1, video 1 from English practice book, children. So, before going to the lesson, let us watch a small video. Everything around us has a name, isn't it, children? People, places, animals, things are all naming words. Naming words are also known as nouns. Mother, school, book, hen, etc. All are naming words. So you might have seen many people around you. Mother, father, teacher, friend. All these are names of people. So a noun can be a name given to a person. There are many animals around us. Cow, cat, dog, elephant, etc. So these are the names of animals. So a noun can be a name given to a animal. There are many places: home, park, beach, zoo. All these are names of places. So a noun can be a name given to a place. Things. There are many things: car, clock, bag, book. All these are names of things. So a noun can be a name given to a thing. So children, I think all of you are clear about naming words or nouns. Every person, place, animal or thing is given a name so that you can identify them easily. If anything is not given a name, it's very difficult to identify. So it is the importance of noun or naming word. So now let us go to the exercises. Common naming words. What are common naming words? Common naming words are common nouns, are the names of persons, places, animals or things. They are not written in capitals unless they come at the beginning of the sentence. So, common naming words are written in small letters. So, look at the given pictures and write the names. First one, doctor. Next, tiger, stadium, tailor, parrot, railway station, book, orange. So all the words that you have written above are naming words, common naming words. They name either person, animals or birds, places or things. A and B are persons, C and D are animals or birds, E and F are places, G and H are things. Naming words are the names of persons, animals or birds, places or things. This is the definition of naming words. So let us go to the second Roman. In the columns given below, write the names of persons, animals or birds, places and things that you see around yourself in the school. This one you can do yourself, but just I am going to fill it. First one, name of a person. Boy, already it is given. Girl, Rima, Raju, Rupa. Second one, animal or bird. First one, sparrow, eagle, lion, tiger, parrot. So next, name of a place. Library, bank, class, school, shop. Thing, bench, stool, chair, door, sofa. So this is the puzzle given here. Solve the crossword puzzle with the help of the pictures given below. So right side some pictures are given. You have to fill this puzzle according to it. Already I have filled. So the dark letters That means where the numbers are given, those are the letters already given and the remaining letters are filled. So, first one, that is down, that is top to bottom. E is already given. So, you have to fill the remaining letters. That is eagle. Already eagle is given here, picture is given. Next, third one, already the picture is given, cart. Here already C is given, so C-A-R-T, cart. Fourth one, the picture is fox and F already it's not given. O is given, children. So F-O-X, fox. F is given, children, sorry, F is given. So F-O-X, fox. So next, seventh one. The picture is fish. So F already it is given. F-I-S-H, fish. Next, eighth one. It is a nail and N already N is given. So N-A-I-L, nail. And across, that is left to right. Second one, you can see here M already it is given. The picture is mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Fifth one, already the letter it is office and O already it is given, O-F-F-I-C, office. Next, sixth one, it's a tiffin box. So already T is given and T-I-F-F-I-N, tiffin. Ninth one, it's the picture of sailor. So as already it is given. So S-A-I-L-O-R, sailor. So children, next one, underline the naming word which does not belong to the group. The first one has been done for you. So here some words are given. In that one word doesn't belong to the group. First one, lion, deer, crab, apple, hen. So apple is the odd one. It is the name of a fruit. Remaining are the names of animals. Next, architect, engineer, toy, nurse, designer. Toy is the odd one. Toy is the name of a thing. Remaining are names of persons. Next, ship, car, scooter, rickshaw, teacher. So teacher is the name of a person and remaining the things. That is vehicles. Next, friend, school, house, airport, library. Friend is the name of a person. Remaining are the names of places. Father, mother, cat, uncle, aunt. Cat is the name of an animal and remaining names of persons. Next, cabbage, onion, tomato, brinjal, garden. Garden is the name of a person. Remaining names of vegetables. So now read the sentence given below and circle the naming words. One is done for you. So you have to circle the naming words, but here children I have underlined. Just note it down. Here you have to circle, that is you have to pick out the naming words. There lived in a forest a camel and a jackal. So the underlined words are naming words. They were friends. Once they decided to go to a field of sugarcane across the river. The jackal wanted to eat crabs in the river and the camel wanted to enjoy sugarcanes in the field. So all the underlined words are naming words. Next, long ago when there were no trains, people used to travel in carriages. These carriages were drawn by horses. The travelers had to cross lonely roads and forests in these carriages only. A shepherd, sorry children, all this in this passage, all these underlined words are naming words. Next, coming to see, a shepherd had a faithful dog. The dog had grown old and had lost all his teeth. Still, he guarded his master's flock of sheep and kept wild animals away. So, all the underlined words are naming words. Coming to D. So, a fisherman caught a large fish. He thought of selling it to the king. He took the fish to the palace. He met the he met the cook in the kitchen and sold the fish to him. When the cook cut open the stomach of the fish, he found a shining stone in it. It was a precious diamond. So all the underlined words are naming words. So children, let us go to the next exercise. Read the examples given below. The Ganges is a holy river. Amitabh is a great actor. The Times is a newspaper. Diwali is a festival of lights. Sunday is the best day of the week. Here some words are underlined and some words are written in bold letters, that is dark color letters. So this underlined words, the Ganges, Amitabh, the Times, Diwali, Sunday, all these are special names given to the common names, that is river, actor, newspaper, festival day, all these are common naming words, and these underlined words are special names given to those common naming words. The special names are the names of person, place, thing, specific person, place, thing. So, and they are written in capitals. Those are special naming words. Special naming words are always written in capitals. So day is also a naming word. Morning, evening, afternoon are also naming words. All the underlined words are special names for the common naming words given in bold letters. So special names always begin with a capital letter. So you have to keep it in mind that special names always begin with a capital letter. I think all of you understood. So children, there is a small assignment for you. Write 5 names each of a person, place, animal or thing. So you have to write your own any 5 names. Thank you, children.